Now, the next thing of the monosaccharides is our ribose and D-ribose. Just like in RNA and DNA, we are having what? Deoxyribose nucleic acid, that is GNA, and RNA is what? Ribose nucleic acid.
Yes.
Correct? So what is the difference between these two? We have just studied that the monosaccharide is what? Carbohydrates, monomer.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So if we see the structure of this ribose, we are having two OH.
Yes.
But if we see the structure of deoxy, we are only having one OH.
One OH.
That makes the difference between ribose and
Ribose
deoxyribose. Just like here, glucose, fructose, and galactose, they are all deoxyribose.
Because they have one OH and one H.
Correct. Understood? Rest of the things, that is CH2OH, 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 right? And CH2OH. Rest hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Rest all the things are same.
Except for those.
Except that. Clear?
Yes.
Done. Lipids. We already studied that lipids are what our body fats. Right? So lipids are known as fats, plays very important role in our body. Fats are broken down in the digestive tract to form individual fatty acid. Why fats are very important? You can see that when you were small, right now also, your mom has given you a lot of butter or ghee in your roti.
Yeah. Yes.
Right? Because good fats are very important for our body. Right? Because to produce lipids, if lipids are not there, then we will say that this is malnutrition body is there. Correct? So lipids are very important fats. Fats broke down in the digestive tract to form individual fatty acids and cholesterol molecules. Everybody has a cholesterol level should be perfect. If it is not, then we as doctor is suggesting don't eat ghee, butter, oil like this. Correct? If there is less cholesterol, doctor suggests eat a lot of ghee, butter, oil, all the fatty things. Right or wrong? Because cholesterols are very important. Fatty acids and cholesterols are the key components of the membranes that surrounds all the cells. Okay, so lipids are having what? Water. Okay. Hydrophobic head. Hydrophobic head is this one, and this is hydrophobic tails. Have you seen such sometimes boils comes out, water filled boils comes out. When we pop it, all water comes out from the body. Sometimes
in our hands?
Everywhere, anywhere on your body.
A long time ago, Auntie, my mom burned her hand, and she got this like giant
ball
water. Yeah,
that is the lipid. Or sometimes boils also there in our any part of the body. This type of things happen sometimes. This is the pus. This is the pus, and instead of pus, we are having white color water bodies are also there. Boils are also there. This is the pus. So these are the lipids. Okay.
Yes.
So lipids play a great role in other cellular structure, and they are the chief source of our energy. Because if fats will not there, then our body will not produce the energies also.
So our membranes need fatty acids and cholesterol to protect our. So, Auntie, the last sentence, fatty acids and cholesterol are key components of the membranes that surround all cells. So the membranes are used to protect the cells, and fatty
obviously,
acids.
membrane is what? What is membrane? Membrane or plasma
like the
membrane or cell wall? Cell wall, you
like
can
the
say
outer cell
plasma
wall.
membrane, yes, plasma membrane, or you can also say simple cell wall or membrane, whatever. That is
And
the
fatty.
yeah, see.
And fatty acids and cholesterol are needed to like make that membrane, or like our membrane needs fatty acids and cholesterol.
Yes.
Okay.
Now comes protein.
Proteins.
Proteins are composed of monomers called amino acid. So amino acid is what? Monomer.
Monomers.
Protein
And
is what?
Polymers.
Okay. So
yes.
Amino acid is what? Micromolecule.
And proteins are macromolecules.
So they are linked together to form a polypeptide chain. You can see here. This is like this, which folds into the 3D structure to constitute a functional protein. So you can see here, this is our 3D form. Here, this is your 2D and this is your 3D. If you see, this yellow part is this one. Somewhere this.
So like
green parts are this one, this green. Okay. Similarly, yellow. Understood? Similarly, PHE, white color part, you can see here. Okay. Like this way. Now, often the functional macromolecules is composed of more than one such chain and sometimes requires small molecules to assist in its function. So every macromolecules has its different functionality to do the function and perform in a perfect chain.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, what is the meaning of MLE, GLY, MET, ARG? These are all MET, GLY, ARG, ILE, GLM. These are all our amino acid. What it means, these are all our monomers.
And they make up polymers.
Correct. Collection of these are different amino acids which work is different. Each and every amino acid, the work is different.
They all have a different function.
Correct. They all have a different functions. Okay. Just like first is my GLN. Okay. GLN is what? Glutamine, which is used in biosynthesis of proteins. Clear? Second, you can see GLY, that is glycine. The simplest triple amino acid. Simple. Okay. Then ILE. ILE is what? Isoleucine. Is used in the biosynthesis of protein. All of these things are protein because these are the components of protein.
Yes.
Right? Then
Yes.
ARG. ARG is what? Arginine.
Arginine.
Treatment of heart and blood vessels conditions, including our congestive heart failure, chest pain, high blood pressure, and coronary artery
Artery
disease.
Mhm.
So in all these things, our ARG plays a very important role. So because of that reason, ARG should be very good.
Mhm.
It should not be more, it should not be less. Otherwise, heart failures are there.
Huh.
Right? Those who ever have a heart attack, you might have heard that doctor saying that don't give so much of fats to that person.
Huh. Mhm.
High protein is also very bad for them, right? Because of
Yes.
this. Now, MET. MET is methionine. Methionine are the building blocks that our body used to make the protein.
Protein. Mhm.
So we can get methionine by meat, fish,
Meat,
dairy
fish,
products,
and dairy.
or supplements of protein also. That is whey protein and all whatever things are there.
Mhm.
So many things are there. From there we can get the methionine.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Yes. Now the last topic is our nucleic acid. Right? So we have studied nucleic acid is left, carbohydrate, lipids,
Covered
and
in
proteins we
transport.
have done.
Yes.
Right? Now nucleic acid.
Nucleic acid store information.
So nucleic acids are the large biomolecules that play essential roles in a cell and
And
viruses.
virus.
By name, we can understand acid. From there, we can find out our things. What our RNA, what is our DNA and all.
Huh.
Yeah. So major function of nucleic acid involves the storage and expression of genome,
Genomic information.
genomic information.
Huh. Genomic information. So,
Yeah, say.
like information the structure of our DNA. So like when they say genomic, they mean like information
Of our
of our
genes.
genes and
Genes.
like inheritance in like DNA.
Correct.
Mhm.
That is genomic, genetic. From the genetic, it word comes.
Huh.
Genomic. Okay.
Mhm.
So all these things we can get it from our DNA. So DNA is what? Deoxyribose nucleic acid, in which we are having only HH, not OH.
Mhm.
Here is only having OH and H. And in the RNA, we are having OH.
OH and OH.
Right? Yes.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
So they are, encodes the information cells need to make proteins. Related type of nucleic acid as known as RNA, in which OH is there, comes in different molecular forms that plays a multiple cell roles, including
including protein
synthesis.
synthesis.
Right? Now, here you can understand that in our DNA, we are having thymine, adenine, cytosine, and globulin.
Wait. Huh. And then in RNA, thymine converts to
Uracil,
uracil.
cytosine, adenine, and guanine.
Huh.
Only thymine is being changed here.
Huh.
Rest, cytosine,
Same.
adenine, uranine is there.
Huh.
Only the main difference is that in a deoxyribose nucleic acid, we are having HOH. Because of that reason, we are having thymine. And here in ribonucleic acid, we have OH.
and OH.
Because of that reason, we have named it as a uracil.
Huh.
Understood?
Yes.
Now any doubt?
No.
And here they just like adenine combines with thymine. So here is what hydrogen bonds form.
Huh.
And thymine attached with the adenine, then also OH bond there. When cytosine attached with guanine, that time also OH bond is there. When
Hmm.
guanine attached with cytosine, that time also OH bond is
Which
there.
is there. Hmm.
But here in ribonucleic acid, that is RNA, there is no such bonds. Only this adenine will be there, uracil will be there, cytosine will be there, guanine will be there, like this.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah.
Yes.
Any doubt in today's lecture?
No. No.